In continuation to the last video, we'll see some numericals on this stoichiometric calculations here. Some numericals, let me see, very simple numericals, let me see. The first question, how many moles of methane are required to produce 22 grams of carbon dioxide? So, how many moles of methane is required to produce here 22 grams of carbon dioxide here? Okay, so we are calculating now the weight of methane which is required to produce 22 grams of carbon dioxide. First of all, we'll see balancing of this reaction. Carbons are balanced, right? One carbon, 4 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens are there, so balance here by multiplying with 2. After this, here 2 oxygens are there, and here also 2 oxygens are there. Total 4 oxygens are there. Now put here what? 2 into 2, 4. Now it is balanced chemical equation. Now what I am writing here, 1 mole of methane reacting with 2 moles of oxygen to give 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So here it is 1 mole and here also it is 1 mole here. So 1 mole means how much amount of weight of methane? 16 grams. Okay, already we have discussed number of times. So 16 grams of methane, isn't it? Next here also 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon dioxide means how much here? 44 grams of carbon dioxide. So 16 grams of methane producing 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Now what they are asking, so if I get 22 grams of carbon dioxide, now how much amount of methane actually utilized in the chemical reaction? Now do the calculation part here, cross multiplication here. Now multiply 22 with 16 and divide with what? 44, cross multiplication. Now this will be what? Weight of methane is equal to how much here? 22 ones are 22 twos are. So next 2 ones are here also what? 8. So the answer will be 8 gram of methane, right? Next we'll see the one more slide here. Calculation of amount of potassium chloride required to prepare 2.4 moles of oxygen. Now according to this chemical reaction, it is already balanced here. Now here 3 moles of oxygen. Okay, 3 moles of oxygen prepared by 2 moles of KClO3, right? So we got how many moles of oxygen? 3 moles of oxygen we are getting from 2 moles of KClO3. Now I am writing like this. So 2 moles of KClO3 potassium chloride giving how many moles of oxygen? 3 moles of oxygen. Now question is that how many moles of potassium chloride KClO3 requires to prepare 2.4 mole of oxygen? I want only 2.4 mole of oxygen. Okay, to get 3 moles required 2 moles of KClO3, but I need how many moles of oxygen? 2.4 moles of oxygen I need here. For that, how much amount of KClO3 is required? Again do what? Cross multiplication. 2.4 into what? 2 divided by what actually here? 3. Okay, 2.4 into 2 divided by 3. Now we are going to get how much here? 4.8 by 3 we are going to get here. If we do this calculation, we are going to get what happened? 1.6 mole of KClO3, isn't it? 1.6 mole of KClO3. You want in terms of grams. Okay, in terms of grams I want here. In terms of grams I want. But amount they said no. So how to convert? Mole is equal to mass by molar mass. This is the formula. Now how many mole we got? 1.6. I want to calculate the mass here. Molar mass of KClO3. KClO3 molar mass, potassium will be how much here? 39. Chlorine will be 35.5. And oxygen, 3 oxygens are there, take 48 here. Now the molar mass of you are going to get, this is equal to 122.5. Now mass is equal to 1.6 into 122.5, that equal to 196 grams. So 196 grams of KClO3 is required to produce 2.4 moles of oxygen. Now next, this you take as assignment here. Calculate the amount of water. Here also you have to calculate amount of water in terms of grams here, right? Okay, in terms of grams here. Produced when 16 grams of methane. Okay, so when you take a 16 grams of methane, okay, how much amount of water you are going to get here. Before solving this problem, you have to balance this reaction. First of all, you balance this reaction, then solve. This is an assignment question for you. Next, calculate mass of carbon dioxide produced when 50 grams of calcium carbonate is heated here. How much amount? For example, I am heating here what? Only 50 grams of calcium carbonate I am heating here. So how much amount of carbon dioxide we are going to get? So this is also homework for you. So this is also you have to do compulsory, isn't it? So in addition to this one, you take some more problems also will be, that is not actually these balancing equations, some other problems here. So first problem we can take here, calculate the mass of, you have to calculate the mass of hydrogen gas, isn't it, at STP having volume is equal to 112 centimeter cube. This is the volume of hydrogen gas is given. So at STP you have to calculate this mass, isn't it? And some more also we can take here. Next, calculate the volume of, isn't it, 34 grams of ammonia. Here also at STP condition, calculate what is the volume of 34 grams of ammonia. So this assignment you do, isn't it, the relation between the volume and, isn't it, number of moles. In that you have to do this assignment here. So with this what happened, this topic is